In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple receipts to Expensify. So the first thing you want to do, in case you are on the new Expensify over here, I haven't yet found this feature, however, you can just switch to Expensify Classic and do it over there. So go down here to the bottom where it says Settings on your profile icon, and then over here on the left under General, it says Switch to Expensify Classic. So click that. And then on the right, you want to do no thanks. And then it says, please tell us why you're leaving. I'm going to click, I need a feature that's only available in Expensify Classic. Next. And then you have to tell them what you need. So for here, I'm going to type in multiple receipts. There we go. And you want to click on next. And then switch to Expensify Classic. Now, this will start loading a bit. And after a few seconds, there we go, you've now switched to Expensify Classic. What you have to do over here is to go in the Expense tab on the left. And then you want to go ahead and tap New Expense top right, so just click there, and then click on Create Multiple. Over here, you can then select multiple different expenses you would like to add. So, of course, multiple expenses as well as multiple receipts. So, what you can do is just basically put in the dates for all of them, the merchants, the totals, and then over here the category and description. And then you can just bulk add these receipts over here by clicking those two question marks. So, once you have all that filled in, you simply have to click on this one over here, the question mark, and then you'll be able to attach receipts. So, just where it says documents, no documents found, just click over here or click on import from computer and then find your receipt, click on it, press open over here, and then you are done. Now the receipt will be basically added in and you'll have it in here. You can then click on the second one, do the same thing, the third one, do the same thing, and that is basically the fastest way to upload multiple receipts to Expensify. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.